You need social skills, how to start conversations with strangers. That's a skill. You need, what else do you need? I'd say when you're isolating a girl, you need to be persistent. If you get resistance, you need to not react to the resistance. Poker face. And then be persistent. That's a skill that you learn over time. You need, when you're seducing the girl, how to escalate physically. That's a skill. Physical game. When you're arousing the girl, foreplay. That's a skill. Every phase of the social skills, the seductive skills, the escalation skills, you can learn that over time. Once you bang the chick, then you're on your own. I can take you from meeting a girl to banging the girl, but after you bang the girl, then you're on your own. Then you have to manage the relationship expectations. But I will say this, it's way easier to get the girl into your life after you bang her.